Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And I'm really excited. Today is Father's Day, and I want to wish my husband John the happiest of Father's Day. He always liked collecting either coins or stamps or many little things. So I thought I would grab some vintage stamps and put them in some resin. So this is a time lapse right here, and I'm using some This Little Piggies, and I will list all the products that I use down below in my description. The mold that I'm using came from resinmolds.com. If you look down below, there's a 15% discount code, and there is free shipping in the USA. Mixing up my resin, and this is the Tea Expert Crystal Clear, and I brushed on my This Little Piggy Cinnamon, This Little Piggy S'mores, very little, and This Little Piggy Cappuccino. This really is crystal clear. Look how beautiful that looks. And let me just get on with it. So today I'm just showing you the first part of a 2-part series. I will be creating something truly special today in this resin mold, as you can see. And please don't forget, the second half of this project will be showcased on June 20th. And I will be going right after Dave and Kathy, the Traveling Tramps, when they share their part of Ice You Crafty Kids Club Global Father's Day collaboration. Be sure to check out the playlist in my description below for all the amazing artists for your local times. So I was really impatient, and I didn't put this on the heating mat, and I didn't have the heating mat out. So I probably came back to this a few hours later. So as you can see, it's a little soft. Yeah, it's quite soft. But I was curious to see what it was going to look like. So I had to demold it, and there's nothing wrong with that if you, as long as you're going to leave it just to sit there afterwards and not touch it, which is what I did. But I was so curious to see how that was going to look, and I was really happy with the way it came out. I love the way those stamps look. Look how pretty that is. It really is quite lovely. I think he's going to love this. And this was done with the leftovers, and this came really pretty too. So please enjoy these pictures. Here's some pictures of my dad. And then you'll find some pictures of John's dad. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the pictures I have here. I hope you enjoyed this short video today. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. If you're not subscribed, please take a moment and hit that subscribe button. I really do enjoy having you with me. And don't forget, June 20th and 21st, Ice You Crafty Kids Club Global Collaboration for Father's Day. You'll find the playlist down below in my description. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today. Bye-bye now.